Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a full face of e.l.f. products. e.l.f. has come out with a few new products and I want to give them a try today. I have pretty much everything I think to do a full face other than my brows. As you can see, my brows are on. I didn't have an e.l.f. brow pencil, but everything else is going to be e.l.f. So we're going to jump right in, and I'm going to start with primer. And e.l.f. came out with these cute little putty primers, and this is a putty primer duo. So we're just trying out these little tiny bitty like bite-sized sample products almost of this primer. I didn't want to buy, I bought some miniature products of the full size because I wasn't sure if I was going to like it and I wanted to give it a try at least. So you got a matte primer, a poreless primer, and a luminous primer. So we are going to go in with the matte putty primer today and get that all over our face. Well, it's on my finger right here. That's kind of what it looks like. Very creamy. I like the way it feels. Guys, my hair and scalp is so dry. Does your scalp get horribly dry in the winter? Like, the winter is just doing something crazy with my skin, my scalp, everything is completely dry. I have like little flakies in my hair. It's awful. I've never had it this bad. It's awful this year. Goodness sake. All right, so just ignore the little white specks you see in my hair. I'm sorry. Anyways, moving on. We are going to try today this e.l.f. Camo foundation, and I saw this, I wanted to give it a try. I thought it was interesting. So this is the e.l.f. Camo CC cream. CC stands for color correcting, and it does say full coverage, natural finish. It has collagen, peptides, and niacinamide in it as well. Very important ingredients right there. It also has an SPF of 30. We're going to go ahead and get this on. I got light 210N, so hopefully I got the right shade. I'm so horrible about ordering correct shades online. I also got one of their little beauty blenders. This is new with e.l.f. It got pretty big when I put it underwater. This is huge, and of course it's the exact same shape as the Real Techniques beauty blender. So I'm just gonna pump it on the beauty blender and then dab it on my skin. That looks like it's way too light, but I don't know. Let's see. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. It looks lighter. It looks weird in the camera, but it doesn't look weird in person. I don't know if that makes sense. This is really soft and squishy. I like it. Okay, so I have that on. Actually, I do like the coverage of this. I wonder, I'm gonna keep it on, see how it lasts throughout the day. I do like the coverage. I think I was able to build up a little bit right here where I have a little bit more redness. I do like how that looks. I'm a little off on the shade, I believe. Okay, so we're gonna move on to concealer, and I'm going to use the Camo concealer. I absolutely love this concealer. I've used it for years. It's one of my favorites, and I bought the shade because I was out of my concealer, so I did buy the shade Fair Beige. I'm gonna pop that under our eyes and our forehead, on our nose just a little bit, and a tad bit on our chin, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. And I'm going to bring a little bit of this concealer on my eyelids as well. This is such a nice concealer. It's almost as good. I mean, I put this in the same category as my Tarte Shape Tape. It has that nice thick consistency, and it blends out really well. It adds that brightness to the under eye, which I need because I do have dark circles, and it does not like crease up and get into my fine lines and wrinkles that are under my eyes because I am over 40 years old. Let's move along to powder. And the powder that I picked, and I know I kind of look goofy right now, that was really light on me for some reason. And I swear Fair Beige is what I got last time. Maybe I got the shade darker than Fair Beige. I don't remember. But it does look kind of like very brightening on my face right now. And it could just be the lights too. So I bought the Halo Glow setting powder, and this is in the shade medium. Not bad at all. I thought it was going to be much darker than it is. It is toning down my right T-zone here, so that is nice. That's fine. Like, this is good. And it is blurring my skin. I do like how that's looking. So, we'll see. I'm gonna give it a day's worth and we'll see how that holds up, especially with the oily areas of my skin. I'm just gonna use this little e.l.f. bronzer, and it's in the shade Sun-Kissed, and I'm just going to bronze up the face a little bit. And we will move along to blush. Okay, now we're gonna go in with an e.l.f. blush, and this is the shade Always Rosy. Okay, that's looking nice and coming along nicely. I really do like how smooth my face looks. Like, this setting powder really is nice. I like that. So far, so good. We're moving along to eyeshadows. I'm going to go into my cute little e.l.f. quads, only $3. And I'm using the Quad Sugar and Spice today. And we're gonna go ahead and just do a quick little eye look, and I'm gonna move on to the next product. I know you guys are probably so sick and tired of me talking about these little e.l.f. quads, but they are truly, like, so well made, and they're such a great bang for your buck. I mean, $3, come on. You can't beat that. You really can't. I did buy some more of these little liquid eyeshadows. These little e.l.f. liquid eyeshadows are awesome. I love them. And they did come out with a couple new shades, I believe. This one is called Moon, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on my eyelid. These are just beautiful little liquid eyeshadows. They also came out with these liquid glitter eyeshadows, and I'm going to, I got the shade, what one is this? This is called Black Magic, and this is a liquid glitter eyeshadow, and I'm just going to do like a little swatch of it. I don't think I'm going to put that on my eye today, but I will swatch it for you guys so you can see what it looks like. The same shape as the shimmer shades. So here's what it looks like. I'm going to do a little swatchy poo. Ooh, this is pretty. So here's that. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow, there's a lot of glitter in there. Isn't that beautiful? So again, my little disclaimer, be careful about putting glitter on your eyes because it can get into your eye and scratch the heck out of it. So just always be careful when working with glitter. But isn't that glitter gorgeous? All right, so now I'm going to put on some eyeliner, and I'm going to go in with this liquid eye pencil by e.l.f. and it is, what is their name of it? H2O Proof Eyeliner Pencil. So I have had this for a little while now. I do really like it. I think it goes on really nice, and it doesn't have a whole lot of bleeding in the inner corners. I hate that. I do normally use this liquid eyeliner, but I haven't been able to find this. So I don't know if they discontinued it and now they just have the pencils. Hopefully not, because I really do like this one. I just think that it is like a lot better than the pencil. I do like the pencil, but this liquid eyeliner is a lot better. It's just like a little brush. I just think that it goes on better, it stays on. I've never had any bleeding with it. It's just, that is my favorite liquid eyeliner. So e.l.f., if you're listening, come back. I want that one again. So there is one eye done, and like I said, it glides on really nice. I don't have bleeding. It works really well. Like, e.l.f. liquid liners are really nice. So e.l.f. did come out with a new mascara. Here it is. I was able to get a mini version of it. If there's a mini version, I will buy it. It's called Lash It Loud Volumizing Mascara, and I got black, and I'm gonna go ahead and we'll get that on right now. I hate packaging that isn't easy to open. I have no tolerance for that. I don't know why. It has a rubbery applicator to it, which I don't normally mind these, but this one's kind of tough. It feels like it's scratching my eyelid. And I don't really feel like it's volumized much, but it is nice. My only thing with this is this applicator is really tough. So it feels like you're scraping your eye when you're putting it on. I don't know if I'm gonna tolerate that much more. But I mean, the mascara itself is fine. It's coating my eyelashes fine without being clumpy or weird. I mean, there's ones out there that I think are a little bit better than this. This is I keep saying rubbery. It's plastic, hard plastic. And when you're putting it on your eye, you can feel it like scraping the bottom of your eyelid. It actually kind of hurts. I don't know if I'm going to be using this much longer. I think this is a dud just because of the applicator sucks. Overall, I'm really happy with the products that I purchased. I really like this setting powder is really nice. I like the way it makes my skin look. It looks really smooth and nice. I loved everything other than that mascara, and it's really just the mascara one. It's too hard. The bristles, I mean, it's just like scraping the underneath my lids where my lids and my lashes meet. I just feel like I scraped my eye there or rubbed too hard or something. It actually kind of hurts. So I'm not a fan of that whatsoever. It really is disappointing because I think the mascara itself is nice. It coated my eyelashes really nice. I don't know if it's volumizing, but it did coat my lashes nice and they look pretty. They don't look all clumpy and gross. But that wand, holy Lord, I do not like that at all. Moving along to the last thing I'm going to try today is their new Ride or Die Lip Balm in Just Peachy. Okay, so you just kind of squeeze it out and put it on. A little goes a long way with this. I think I put too much on my lips. But it does have that nice, like a nice, fresh, like natural peach kind of smell and taste to it. I really like this. I'm really going to enjoy these. And with just a hint of color. And I like that too because I don't always like wearing bright colors. I don't actually usually don't wear any lip product whatsoever, so I do like this. I like that it gives just a hint, so I can always do more of a bold eye and a light lip, and that is kind of the way I like to go most of the time. So I really enjoy this. This is a cute little product. Well, that is my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I did, other than that crazy mascara that I still can't get over. I don't know what, I just can't get over it. I need to move on from the stupid mascara. Oh my gosh. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, as well as the notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.